Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I wanted to kick things off with an alert that I got here from CML. The trade machine is one of my preferred methods of backtesting options, or just looking at how certain moments in time may perform better than others. And this is for the run into earnings. So again, this landed in my inbox today, and it's the historical results of buying a TXN Delta 40 call with this duration into earnings, essentially looking at a target of about 40% and a stop loss about the same value. So we are at that moment in time. And then if we come over and take a look at it against the chart, there are other things that I like here. So most of the time in these free videos, I focus on squeeze setups. And right now we don't really have a great squeeze in TXN, but the other thing that is a core part of my trading plan is the Voodoo lines. So if we think about these horizontals, and granted there are a few of them that you see here, but part of making good use of them is understanding the proportions and understanding the importance of each level. So in the study set, the fire line is the most important target. This is a level that can be magnetic. And even though there isn't a squeeze right now, you can see directional movement up into it. So I like that as a potential target up there around 174. And then the other piece of thinking about these from a proportion perspective is how well you're holding this snow line. So those white lines divide the area in between the green and the red, and essentially just say if the path of least resistance, if there's an imminent move to be had that is into this level, well then you need to stay above 165.14, and the part that catches my eye is how well it did that today. So today's low was 165.11, so you're 3 pennies off of that level exactly, and then you also have the reversion to the mean concept, which just says that the 21 EMA is moving from lower left to upper right. So you try to buy at that moving average. So what I'll be looking at for Thursday and Friday is that movement down into here will be an opportunity to buy those 2 week out Delta 40, Delta 50 call options, and then look for movement up into the 174. Cashing out usually 100% of that before the earnings number. But if you are able to catch a good directional move up into that, and say you wrap up something like 4/5 of your position, well then you can look at holding a remaining piece through the numbers to see if we get a better report out of that. But the high probability piece of it, the moment in time that I believe is setting up, is right through here into the report. And I wanted to make sure that you had that heading into Thursday. So you guys have great trading, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com. And I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.